Alrighty, in this lab, you will be making a grilled cheese sandwich. One of my favorite treats. Things I will provide you. I will give you bread, butter, and a couple slices of cheese. So again, that is a loaf of bread, a little tub of butter, and a couple slices of cheese. Things you will have to get yourself. A plate for each partner, a butter knife, remember those are under sinks 1 and 2, top left drawer, or next to it, I shouldn't say under, and a spatula or 2, depending if you want to each turn your own. Those can be found on top of the microwaves right next to your station. Alright, to begin with, you will want to butter one side of each piece of bread that you have. Only one side, not both sides, one side of each piece of bread. Go ahead and plug in your griddle. I guess I forgot to show you a picture that I've got that set in there, but plug in your griddle and set it to 350. Be very careful, this is going to get hot. Set it to 350. After the griddle is hot, you can you'll be able to put your hand, like, don't touch it, but put it about 3 or 4 or 5 inches above it, and you'll be able to feel that it's warm. And you'll put one piece of bread for each partner, butter side down. Notice, no butter showing, butter's on the other side. Then go ahead and place a piece of cheese on top of that piece of bread. Again, do that right away. Don't wait for the whole bread to toast. Put it on there right away, because that'll get it warm and start melting the cheese for you. Then place the other piece of bread on top of that. Notice you can see the cheese peeking through. On top of that, this time butter side up, because we're going to turn it over, and then it will become butter side down, and it will grill it. So again, place the second piece of bread butter side up. Now you're going to want to flip this thing over. Use your spatula, flip it over. After one of the sides looks like this. Doesn't look good. So after it's toasted, now how do you tell? Well, you can kind of slide your spatula underneath the corner and kind of peek at it a little bit. Be careful not to burn yourself doing that. Flip it over to griddle the other side. After both sides are griddled, put it on your plate. Go back and unplug the griddle. I don't want you to burn yourself. Let that thing cool off a little bit. Now, after the griddle has cooled some, get all your dishes done. You can wash these, while the griddle's cooling off. That nice, hot, soapy water. Now, a lot of times, I like to pick up a pot holder and grab the skillet. Gosh, if I could talk today, and then wash it. But again, wait till it's cooled off. Please don't burn yourselves. Be careful. Finally, go back, and after you've eaten everything and cleaned up all your dishes, go back and wash and dry your counter. Make it nice and spick and span. You can see here, look at those little flecks. I didn't clean it very well. In fact, I didn't clean it at all. I took the picture. Now I'm going to go back and clean it now. So there you go. A little bit of grilled cheese. Enjoy. And don't forget, you've got a pink binder over here for bookwork for this lab. It's based on microwave cooking. Thought that'd be kind of fun.